Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Salauddin and this is our air quality monitoring drone. It has several sensors over there. This is one is the air quality sensor that is used for collecting the air quality information when it flies over a region or any urban space or over a city or any any region. It directly transferred this information to the cloud. There is a GPRS communication shield included there, and it uses that and to send the information to the cloud. And from the cloud, we visualize those information using Google Map. We have developed an application, web application, that visualize those information and pin those information on the map. Actually, we'll show you that web application soon. Now we need to test whether this aircraft easily move with this extra payload. Actually, it's around 100 gram. So we need to test it. We are going to fly this drone using RC controller. This controller gives us a video feedback, and from that feedback we can easily navigate the drone over the airspace. So okay, let's fly it and test it whether it is stable or not with this extra payload. This is the controller that we are going to use for flying this drone. Yes, it's a DJI Air3S drone. It's much stable, and the flight time depends on the situation. Actually, if the environment is too windy, then flight time is decreases. And in normal condition, normal wind speed, the flight time is around 30 minutes that I receive. It depends on situation and depends on how long you have using this drone. And this is the controller that we used, and this is our drone. So let's try whether this guy successfully fly with the extra payload. So we are going to, first of all, we need to place this drone over a bit open space. That's better. Yes, that is better. Now we're going to fly it, and just we're going to fly it from here. Let's okay, the profiler is loading and all the signal is okay. We hope that it will fly. Yes, it is flies and it maintains stability and no problem at all. If we go higher, you can see, if we go higher, yeah, we can go higher without any problem. Yeah, it's logged the aircraft information and will visualize it. I'm not going too much far away right now because I am alone with controlling the drone as well as capturing the video. Just go a little bit higher and see. Yes, so is that drone? Yeah, that's flying over the sky. So that's all, guys. I'm going to land it because when it's fly, it of course makes some recorded information which is helpful, and we visualize them to our Google Drive. Okay, let's land it. So no problem with this extra payload. It easily carry that extra payload, and it takes the and stable this drone automatically. Thanks DJI for this nice drone. Actually, with their drone, it's not we cannot make this edition or make this sensory system that can able to capture the air quality over the urban space or any rural space or any region when it's fly over the air. Thank you everyone for watching this video.
Uh, Hello again, and this is our web application that is used for visualizing the air quality map over this map. So after flying the drone, we need to start the map, and it shows the drone path. So drone is moving from here to here, here to here, and this color is meaningful. Actually, this purple color it indicates that the air quality is very unhealthy within this region. So uh, the healthy index is healthy color is good. That is the green notation by green, and moderate is used orange, and unhealthy is used between red and orange, and very unhealthy is used uh, purple, and the hazardous is used red circular dot. So the drone is flying from here to here and log the information over the map, and it's maybe come back to here again. uh, yeah, that's very simple. So we got the information of the air quality and we visualize it on our map. And thank you so much. So we fly our drone. Hello again. We fly our drone in another region, and here the information is there. So after flying the drone, we see the air quality information. Here also the quality is quite moderate, not so unhealthy, because we fly our drone over a rural area that has good air quality over there. Yes, now we're getting the green dot. That means the air quality is very good. It says, I think if we try to minimize the map, it's near the Dhaka city. It's adjacent to Dhaka city, and now there is no urban area. It's a totally rural area, and there is some agricultural fields over there. And now we just fly our drone over an agricultural field. Here is some we get some moderate air condition over there. Yeah, that's all about the demonstration. So we captured those data and we visualize them on a Google map. Thank you again.